Hi there! Today we're going to be making no-sew face masks. Your first step is to lay your fabric out in front of you. Then you're going to fold the bottom up to the middle, just like that. Smooth it out so that you have no wrinkles. If you want to add a coffee filter, now would be the time to do it. Then you're going to take the top of your fabric, fold it down about an inch, and then fold it over to meet the end of the bottom half. Adjust it as needed. Try to get your folds as perfect as possible so that they line up. Smooth it out. And now what you're going to do is you're going to add your elastics to both ends. Depending on your size needs will depend where you put your elastics. If you need a smaller mask, put it more towards the center. If you need a larger mask, keep them closer to the ends. Adjust as you need. Now you're going to fold your ends over to the center. I like to pull my elastics out just so I know that they're going to be flat. Now you're going to tuck one end into the other end of your mask for a more secure mask that won't fall apart. Now pull your elastics out again just to make sure that everything is tight and smooth. Adjust it accordingly to your needs and you'll be done. There's my face mask and I am excited to wear it out. It is, as you can see, it's really nice. It covers the whole face. Have a great day!